Hello everybody.
Swadee Krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Welcome to our channel, The Thai Life of Nat and Paul.
Where we document what it's really like to live and travel in Thailand.
If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button in the corner or down below in the description.
So in today's video, we are having a race.
That's right. In our last video, we took you around the condo in Nonthaburi, and we had a couple of messages to say that we didn't quite cover how far it is out in Bangkok. So we thought this week it'd be a really good idea. Natalie's going to go by car. I'm going to go by MRT. We're going to have a race back to near the Thailand Cultural Centre, central Bangkok. Okay everybody, Natalie has just popped to have a nice little convenience break before we get this race going. Now I've just had a look on Google Maps. Now apparently it's going to take Natalie, without traffic, around about 20-25 minutes. Whereas I just had a look at the MRT, and that should take anywhere between 40 and 55 minutes depending on the connection train. So we're going to need every single advantage that we can get. So I'm going to hide the keys. Okay, let's go. Nat, guess what? 3, 2, 1, bye! Okay, let's get this show on the road. We are going. This is the route we are taking. I'm walking and talking because I don't want to lose that advantage that my ingenious just gave us. Our journey consists of around about a 3-minute walk, followed by getting on the purple MRT, and then we change at Thao Pun, where we get onto the blue line, and then from there that should be just outside. Hopefully it's just a sprint finish. This is how close the MRT is to the condo. For those who watched the condo video last week, if you haven't done so already, then go back and watch that one. We're in. So just as well I remembered, we are on the correct side of the platform, and it's another 2-3 minutes wait until the train. So here we are on the platform. Got a 2-minute wait until the train, which isn't too bad. Just as well I bought us that little bit of an advantage. Thailand subways, pretty clean, really impressed with them. We are in business, here it comes. On this train for 3 stops, then we stop at Thao Pun. Come on train, let's hurry up, let's not muck around, we got a race to win.
Station. Please mind the gap between train and platform. Thank you.
Meanwhile, back at the condo.
Right, since Paul got a head start with me being in the toilet, so we're gonna catch him up now. We're just getting out of the car park. We should still beat him because I checked on Google Map. The traffic's not too bad at the minute, but we shall see. This car park doesn't seem like it, but okay, it doesn't seem like we can get out of this car park. Right, car park problem is not good. This is terrible. This meant Paul could get further ahead.
2 stops down, 1 to go. Fingers crossed, we're still in with a chance.
Okay, so that's all. I got the security guard to help me. Right. Okay, so what I need to do now is just U-turn and literally just go straight. Although, if you know Thailand, there's always a U-turn, but this U-turn's quite tight. Let's go.
at this stage, Natalie was further away than she needed to be as she was at the U-turn whilst I was already hammering down on Tao Poon for my connection.
Is it raining? Yeah, it is. Whoa! Excuse me? Well, one thing I hate about driving in Thailand as well, as many U-turn as they have, the people on the U-turn, like they legit just like try to come into the second lane, not the first lane now. It's like, dude, come on. Right, we're hitting a bit of traffic, but hopefully it's not that bad. Hopefully it's just this bit, because this road is always traffic every time I'm on it. So hopefully it's just this bit and then we're all clear. Let's hope Paul missed his like station, because I think the last time he used the MRT was like back in March or April time. So yeah, hopefully.
So we need the blue line to Lak Song. Are we ready? Let's go. It all comes down to this. That was a stroke of luck. I was at the door right where the escalator begins. This race really is going to come down to how quick I can get onto this, how much that advantage I bought us at the beginning was, and it is Bangkok rush hour, so let's hope Natalie hits some traditional world famous Bangkok traffic. 2 minutes to the next train. Let's call Natalie, see where she's at. Can we get through to her? Nat, where are you? Oh really? Okay everyone, we have got a chance. We are just jumping onto our connection now at Tao Poon. We're in with a chance, people. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, I'll speak to you later. Bye. There you go, we have a chance, we've got a chance, we've got a chance.
Paul just called me and he said he's changing already, so that's concerning. But I'm on the flow now as well, so hopefully, finger crossed, this is the only traffic we get into. Go, 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 come on, no more red lights.
We're on our way. We are on our way. We have 9 stops to get there. And just speaking to Natalie, she's hit a little bit of traffic. It is rush hour in Bangkok. We are 1 stop in. We have every single chance of pulling this off. Can we do it?
Come on, this is a fast lane. I'm flying through this bridge. We're on the clear. Really, really clear. Well, not really, really clear, but Bangkok clear. Oh, and what's this dude doing? Stop coming into my lane. I want to go. Come on, stop squeezing me in. Wait.
Come on, close the doors.
At this stage, we were neck and neck. Paul is at Nat Fails and I am just past the Bazaar Hotel. We're actually getting traffic. Oh no, and it's raining quite heavily as well. I don't think it's traffic. We're good. I think we'll win this. Rain is really heavy though. You guys hear that? I really want to show you guys, but I don't think I can put my camera. Can't see anything. No way.
This was going to be a sprint to the finish, as Natalie was stuck in traffic just outside the Big C as I was just approaching the Thailand Cultural Centre's metro stop.
Right, so my light's gone green. It shouldn't be too far behind, but I'm gonna win.
I'm out in pole position. I am not hanging around. We have come too close. I think we're in with a chance. I really, really do. I don't want to muck it up now. I think that's the right way I need to go. I think, otherwise I'm doing double the walking. I hope Natalie's in traffic. I really do. Let's hope I get through these barriers without any problems. Here we go, here we go.
One good thing about being in the car though, I won't get wet because I will wait for Paul's in the car, whereas he needs to jump out of the MRT. It's a short walk, but still, he's gonna get a bit wet. Come on, Thailand.
Going this way, there seems to be people being stopped that way. Let's pick up the walking pace now. At least the lady in the front is walking up. That's going to help us.
We have arrived. Let me see if I can find space to park downstairs. Otherwise, I give Paul a chance and I go park upstairs. It doesn't look like I can park downstairs, so I shall go upstairs. I think I'm still gonna win this, so I have time. I'll take my time, yeah? Do you guys agree? Yeah. Paul's the loser.
Here we are almost there. Do not dare let there be a little grey Honda Jazz coming along now. There's a grey Honda there, I thought that was it. Lucky enough, it's not a Jazz. We've been quite fortunate. Whilst we've been on the MRT, it has been raining, which normally means traffic moves really, really slowly. That means we could have done it, we could have done it. It all relies upon coming around this corner, so the race is until the smoking shelter.
Alright, I'm all parked up, so we're the winner, right? Let's go see downstairs.
Please don't be here, please don't be here, please don't be here. We turn the corner. I think we might have done it. Smoking shelter is just here. I think we've won. It looks like we've beaten the car. That's a win for public transport. Oh, there she is. I'm the first one in the smoking shelter.
Huh?
Huh?
No, it was raining, so I went inside. So I won. Yes. I win.
That's dodgy there, people. What do you think? She's saying she was already inside.
My car was all parked up on the second floor.
I tell you what, I'll give it you, I'll give it you. Simply because I can see her car isn't down here. Let's adjudicate, let's look at these cars down here. There we go, so she must have been here a little while. How long you been here? You know, I really thought I'd won then. I really thought I'd won.
And there 6 minutes ago.
6 minutes, that's all we lost by. Whew. Oh, that was a close one. Don't know about you, but I am absolutely sweating buckets, but you've been sat under aircon, so you should be fine. See, not only did she win, but she also had the creature comforts of aircon. I didn't. I definitely need a shower. If you guys haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button or hit the like. Leave comments down below, let us know what you thought of the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you guys next time.